In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add multiple currency on Shopify. To begin, sign in to your Shopify admin. In the left-hand menu, go to Markets. This is where Shopify lets you control how your store works for different countries and regions, including the currencies that shoppers can use. Inside Markets, find the market you want to update. For example, you might have an international market already set up. Next to that market, click Manage. This opens the settings specific to that region, so your changes apply in the right place. Now click Products and Pricing. This is the section where you decide how pricing is displayed and which currencies are available for customers in that market. Look for the currency options and check the box for the currencies you want to enable. If you want Shopify to automatically show shoppers their local option when available, select Local Currencies instead. This can help reduce friction at checkout by making prices feel familiar to customers in different regions. Before you save, make sure Preview is selected. The preview helps you confirm what customers will see, so you can quickly spot if anything looks off, like an unexpected currency display or formatting. When everything looks correct, click Save. At this point, the market is configured, but shoppers still need an easy way to switch countries or regions on your storefront. Next, go back to the main navigation and open Online Store, then Themes. Find your current theme and click Customize. This takes you into the theme editor where you can turn on the selector that allows customers to choose their country or region, which in turn controls the currency they see. In the theme settings, locate the header or footer settings depending on where you want the selector to appear. Enable the country/region selector. Placing it in the header makes it easier to notice, while the footer can be a cleaner look if you prefer a more minimal layout. Once saved, your selected market can support multiple currencies, and your store will display a country or region selector, so customers can view prices in the appropriate currency. That covers everything you need to know.